Hi friends, this is Isha here. I am here to help my friends who are looking for job in Dubai in IT sector. I am also the part of the IT sector here and I search job through different portals, different consultants. So I have the idea how one can search job here. So there are different means through which we can look for jobs, we can apply for jobs. The first one here is that we need to upload our CVs to different portals. Like I will list down all the portals that will help you. So whenever you watch the video, you can understand that how the different job portals and different consultants are helpful for searching the job. So the first one is the Naukri Gulf, where you can upload your CV. Then we have Monster Gulf, then we have Gulf Talent, then there is a local portal of Dubai, that is Dubizzle. Then we have different websites. Indeed is a very good website where you will get a latest update of the jobs of your sector. Every day you can set a job alert on that. Then you can connect your professional network through LinkedIn, which is very helpful, and it helped me also to search a good job, where you can look the people of your same profile to different companies. Like there are multiple IT companies as well as multiple government organizations where they have a requirement for the testing roles, for development roles. There are different portals, so you can upload your CV. It's not only uploading works, it's my personal experience that every day you need to be very active, you need to edit your profile, you need to do some certifications. Here certification plays an important role because everyone want a person's skills to be certified through some good organizations or through some good certification standards. So you need to have a good certifications, you need to have good exposure also. Like suppose if you have exposure of different countries, then you can list down all the things in your CV. Highlight your skills, which is very important in your CV. If you highlight your skills properly, so whenever a company look for someone on these portals, they search with the help of the skills only. They search down, they have different automated scripts through which they just enter the skills, and then the CVs are shortlisted to them. Then out of those shortlisted CV, they select the members and call for interviews or written exams. So these portals help you to streamline that where you need to apply, which JD match with your particular CV. So these all things you need to analyze yourself. But I can tell you here in IT industry, these job portals play a very important role. As well as the second point which I want to cover here is the consultant. Like in UAE, if you are looking for job, then you need to know what all consultancies are involved in helping you in taking the jobs. I can name some here. Don't take it that I am promoting some consultancy, but it's my experience because I also search job through those consultancy. So I will tell there are Michael Page is a consultancy, then there is Atrips, then there is Headhunters, then there is Mark Ellis, and there is Synchron. There are many consultancies, so it's better. How you can search your job is just upload your go to these consultants, check on Indeed. Also you will find the list of the consultancies who helped in taking jobs. Like I remember some more. There is Vista, and there is many more consultancies which will help you. But you need to you need to update your CV. You need to be very active in seeking job here. And these all consultancies, for sure, if you apply you will get a call from these people. Then through the call they will arrange your interviews with the client. So mostly there are permanent jobs as well as there are consultant jobs also. So don't think that you will not take a consultant job, because once you take a consultant job you will get the experience of that domain. Then for sure you will your contract will extend, or it will not extend, then you can apply somewhere else. So it's like here in IT mainly people get consultant jobs, but it's not like that I am stating that you will not get permanent positions. You will for sure get permanent positions also, but it is better if you go for the consultant positions if you are very seek to get some position. And here reference also work. Like suppose you have friends in your professional environment on LinkedIn, or people used to use Facebooks also to connect with the people and search for that. So LinkedIn is a very good profile, where very good place where you can update your profile, you can create your profile, you can show how much caliber you have with the help of your profile. Like you can connect with the good people, you can endorse your skills. So in this way, these all portals and consultant help you to get a good opportunities in UAE, specifically Dubai and Abu Dhabi. These are the main places where you will find many IT companies. Every day there are new requirements in testing, in development, or in Oracle. Different streams are there. So through this video, I want to help everyone who is looking for job. Probably I think this video will help them, because everyone used to come to me and ask me how I find my job, how, because here networks are not clear. You don't know through which portal, where you need to apply, how people respond. Sometimes luck also matter here. I put the third point also, that luck matters, but it is better to be very active, to be very indulge in all these things. Then only it will help you to get a good position in UAE. This is what I want to say. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our channel. Help us to share it with other people, so that everyone get to know that through which portals you can get a good job. Thank you very much.